Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create valid and invalid forms. I added two border colors. One is green and the other is red. The green is for valid or successful inputs, and the red indicates an error, meaning something is invalid, like an issue with the email or password. Let's create them. Start with HTML. First, create a form, and then make input. Copy this input and change their name, type, and ID. Move on to CSS. I added two border colors. One is green and the other is red. The green is for valid or successful inputs, and the red indicates an error. It's not work means can't show the red border. This is because I can't change the type. Change it to email. Now it works successfully. When you enter a password that's shorter than 12 characters, the border turns red. This indicates that the password is not valid because the minimum length required is 12 characters. This red border helps to visually signal that the input does not meet the validation criteria. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. See you next video.